Right about there. We're on a bus. We're on a bus. And we're off to the Resort World Arena.
Because Lily's got that much battery, it's because she watched it the whole journey.
She did. You watched it the whole journey. At the train station.
What was that?
So we can have a look around.
Oh, that made me jump.
It only took about 7 or 8 minutes from Holiday Inn, and they take you here to the train station free of charge. And I'll insert a picture now of the timetable that we have for the actual shuttles. But upstairs, we'll take you to Resorts World NEC. You ready to go? We're heading up. So, Birmingham
This is a passenger safety announcement. If you have heavy luggage or pushchairs, these are located at the centre or
So we are now heading away from the train station, heading towards the NEC arena. Welcome to the NEC.
Did you hear the noise?
Fast forward.
Fast forward, blah blah blah.
All this.
Why do I feel like this is where Dad watched football? Is it? So Starbucks. This way. And this. Yo ho!
Let me show you something, ready?
That was a bad one.
Okay.
No, that was a bad one.
God. Okay.
Nice one.
Dad's gonna have it in his pocket.
Oh my God.
Dad's got it. I'm so close to standing up back then. I want to go down.
Is it going down? Step on it.
This isn't going up. I don't know if it was this one.
So this is the NEC, is it? Resort World.
You're the largest
This
dancing.
way. Resorts World, straight ahead.
Do you know why I love escalators?
I'm going to go down the ramp.
Over
You
speeds.
guys down.
I went down the ramp.
Down the ramp.
Bye-bye.
Outside. So you leave the NEC. Outside. You've got Hilton, Birmingham Metropole,
You ready?
Crown Plaza, 800 metres. So this is your map.
Dad, you're always hitting me in the face.
What?
Your head hit me in the face. So look.
So, it's over there. Resort World Arena's over there. Yeah, so that's Resort
Once you leave the NEC arena and step outside, you can see Bear Grylls Adventures, Resort World Arena, and a few hotels.
We're not going over there.
The first hotel is the
My
Moxie
legs are
Hotel.
going to be dead. This is getting... Thanks, it's getting my steps in now.
Oh, it's only there.
So should I walk down there? I can't get out. No. Beat you now.
Beat you, Lil.
She's going back, I beat her.
So we're heading towards the Resort World and Resort World Arena, and here you can splinter off into other directions. You can head to the Hilton Hotel,
Guys, ready?
you can head to
Dad, take a photo.
the Crown Plaza, and obviously you have the Moxie Hotel in front of you.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Whoa.
Yeah, well, so this is the Moxie Hotel.
I'm bending myself from
Ugh.
that side, but they put us the way and I kept going.
Oh no.
No, you know the curve see-through, I kept banging myself in it.
Hilton. They are. There's a plane right in front of us. Can you see it?
I know,
Through
it
the
scared
trees.
me.
Through the
Yes,
trees.
I've seen it.
Seen it.
Scared me. I thought there was a fun.
World Arena.
Look, ready?
and then Resort
I've got
World.
2 things to show you. My fast walk and my bossy walk.
So here we see the Resort World with all the shops, and then we have here the Resort World Arena.
I did not know the balls do that. Ready? Okay, no, stay there this time. I need you. You go first.
What is it? Tell us.
They made art.
Oh, it's wood art.
Yeah. I've seen wood art in my school. In school,
Yeah.
they made a tree,
Yeah, they made a tree.
but they put a squirrel on top. They made
What?
it. They carved it, the
No
wood,
way.
and then there was a squirrel sitting on the top of the tree.
It's actually so hot.
There's a squirrel in my pants.
There's squirrels in my pants!
That girl's got some serious squirrels in her pants.
I know. I might roll these up a bit.
Right, this is the entrance, by the looks of it, to the arena.
Compared to
Resort
England
World
weather, this
Arena.
is really good weather. We just live in rain.
And then that's your Resort World.
I'm
this is the
bored,
entrance
so I rolled these up. I'm bored.
Entrance to...
This is the main entrance for the Resort World Arena, and further down there are smaller entrances along the way.
No, look at the little. You were further than me.
5 races already, go.
Let's head on into the Resort World to see what shops and restaurants they have.
Come on in.
You go first.
So have a look what's in here. Smiths.
The door won't shut.
Hollywood Bowl.
It's an arcade.
Arcade. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
There's cars. There's
Oh, it's Hollywood Bowl. It's bowling. Genting Hotel.
Is that okay?
There's a hotel.
There's a little girl which goes up and falls in love.
This tells you what's...
Dad,
So we're on the ground floor.
Dad,
Yeah.
I've got a quick. This is the song which is stuck in my head. There is a little girl which falls in love. What?
So we've got Hollywood Bowl.
One floor 0.
Yeah. Escapement, restaurant, bars, Genting Hotel.
There's
Yes,
floor
so
5.
So there's restaurants underneath as well. The arcade, Cineworld, restaurant,
SeaWorld?
malls,
Cinema World.
casino,
You said SeaWorld.
conference centre, spa, sky bar and restaurant.
Dad,
Toilets over there though. There's some shopping. Sketches, Vivos.
orange one. Yeah, there's
I'll be right here.
Up the pink escalator.
So we're going to go up and have a look.
I love that escalator because it's pink. Look at the water. It looks
Pizza
pink.
Express outside.
Bill,
So you have to have a look.
Okay, I'm sorry. Escalator. Before you get so you just don't move.
it's because some people don't like movies. Do you know what?
So there's Zuzu's, Five Guys, Japanese food, casino, Cineworld.
Come on, there's orange escalator.
You want to go up the next one?
Why does this look orange? But when you get up to there, go behind there. Guys, watch my feet again, okay? Ready?
It's got a conference centre.
That was the last
That
escalator.
was. So it says it's a Mando somewhere.
Now the sea looks yellow.
It does.
That's the hole.
to the left, Bear Grylls, and then the train station just by Moxie as well.
Fine.
You ready to go back down?
Dad, once I'm on, you can let go of my hand, okay? I did it! Whoa, that's pretty.
Get a drink.
So we're heading back out, walking through the shopping centre just to have a look at what type of shops there are.
Back to the arena
And
area.
I remember where the escalators are.
When we have a computer, I can literally get my credit card and go to Costa.
You can't go to TJ Fridays because it's Tuesday and you can only go down on Friday.
You can, because it's called Friday because they wanted to name it Friday. But you could go there any day, dummy.
Yeah, dummy. She's not even stick up for me.
You fell.
Sisters! Oh! And that's where we started. You came from that way.
That is not shoulders though. It's back.
It's called a grey area.
Stand up.
I'm up.
Prince.
What time does it stop?
Exit.
Beep beep.
Limber Lake.
This is exit only.
First we go up the ramp.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ramp. I was wondering if we get the shuttle bus home again. Ready for the chasing?
Walk away.
Please get back. Stay.
Did it by myself, guys. Woo. My first time. No, doing squat. No. Let's go.
Train station. That's where we came from.
I'm going to try to go by myself. Did it! Whoa, this is fun.
You okay?
Yeah.
So just outside the train station at the NEC, you will find pickup points where the shuttle will wait for you. Always refer to the most up-to-date wait times.
And we're off back to the Holiday Inn.
Struggle with myself.
How about that?
Yeah.
Look at that, Dad.
I know.
What is that?
That's the airport over there.
We've now made it back to the Holiday Inn after our little excursion to the NEC and Resort World. This is a great location if you need the airport or the train station. Next door to the Holiday Inn there is a travel lodge. We are unsure if they have their own shuttle, so it'd be worth checking before.
An hour before we can go in, so.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.